Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering 1-2 cups of fresh Malai. Scoop the thick cream from cooled, boiled whole milk. Place Malai in a chilled metal bowl because cold surfaces make it easier to trap air and build structure. Once done, press lightly with a spatula to squeeze out free watery whey. You want concentrated fat for stable cream. Make sure to reserve a tablespoon of cold milk. You'll add it later to adjust texture. Now move quickly. Chilling is the small trick that yields better volume. You now whip the Malai to transform clotted cream into spreadable cream. Start at medium speed and work in short bursts so heat doesn't melt the fat. You're aiming for soft peaks in about 1 to 3 minutes. That texture gives spreadability without being runny. If the mixture looks grainy, add 1 tablespoon of cold milk and continue whisking briefly to smooth it. That fluid rebinds the fat. Finally, incorporate any sugar or vanilla in the last 20 seconds, so flavors blend without collapsing structure. To finish, transfer the cream to an airtight container and chill for 30 to 60 minutes. Cooling firms the texture and makes it easier to spread or pipe. If you find the cream has become grainy from overwhipping, don't panic. Fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh Malai or cold milk slowly to rehydrate and smooth the mass. If the cream is too thin, gently fold in more chilled Malai rather than increasing speed. This prevents breaking and keeps your cream silky and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.